So hey guys, I didn't forget to upload that videos on my YouTube channel. I was having typhoid, I know. I didn't inform you, but I'm great, all good, and set to vlog. So I have seen Wonder Man in my typhoid days. It is not a typical superhero kind of movie, but I can relate with the character of Simon or aka Wonder Man. Because the first reason is he's an overthinker. Yeah, he overthinks a lot. And I think he can't handle the stress and pressure. When Trevor betrayed him, he showed his extraordinary skills. He just bomb blasted the whole room, or I don't know what that we say, a set of Wonder Man. And the second thing, when his bro, his own brother, teases him for his job that you are not doing anything, you are just overthinking, and you don't have your career, you cannot pursue that acting as your career, and you aren't even getting any roles on that. So it is not a typical I will rather say superhero movie like Loki. Loki was a series, sorry, like Thor, Iron Man. No villain, no hero, nothing. Just two friends and Mandarin. Yeah, I was really excited to see Mandarin, and his acting was superb and fabulous. Wow. And Simon's acting was so good when he overthinks. Uh, he was in the character from the beginning itself. And I think that the director who has made Spider-Man, Brand New Day, and Shang-Chi has made something extraordinary with Wonder Man. So I am eagerly waiting for his season 2, but I know that Wonder Man will not have any season 2 until 2028. But I want one more season 2, and you also want. I know that. That is Moon Knight. Yeah, it was a fabulous series with all the superhero and god connections. Want you? I'm eagerly waiting for season 2. But Wonder Man, because the character fits me. I can relate with the character, the stress, the anxiety, the mental pressure. So let's go to college. Let's see what happens.
So hey guys, I'm back from my college and my college was good today and yeah, it was good until the last lecture. And the last lecture of my college was AD Agile Development. And it was good, but at the end, some bully student is bullying me. Yeah, I just said 2 3 words to them. They don't know that their father is working hard, earning money for them. They just need to be like, I am the politician of this uh, class. I will say whatever you will do. But I'm not the one. I just stand it out before them. I know that they have power I don't have because I don't have friends as well. So I just came home and I just overthink. You know that I'm an overthinker, but I am on the path to just delete my overthinking. So I didn't overthink this time. Only I'm saying, sharing this incident with you. Oh, and I just drank tea, milk tea. That is my favorite. And let's see what I do. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything early in the morning because I had binge watched the Wonder Man series I told you before, and yeah, it was 2 a.m. when the series finished, and I got up at 9:30 a.m. and my college is at 11:10, so it was difficult for me to do something. So I will do it right now, and I will share you the report. Bye. I'm feeling very sleepy right now. It's 10, but I need to do something. So I will just do that and note into my diary. I'll show you the progress report. Basically, I did some questions. That's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.